everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I again just applied some gels to my nails. I didn't apply acrylics or I haven't extended my nails out, I'm just using my normal nails, my natural nails. So I have just applied base coat and cured that for 30 seconds, and then I applied gel strengthener, cured that for 30 seconds. I'm using these sequins out of a glitter that I received. And so in order to apply these to my nail, I placed down a layer of Brush Up Builder gel in the shade Bear, and using a little cocktail stick dipped in the gel, I am just placing each sequin on the nail, and obviously I'm doing this before I have cured the nail. So I covered the whole nail with these sequins on the thumb, that is. I really liked how they looked. I think they just looked so cute. It looks random, and it is random, but I really liked it. So yeah, and I love the colours together. I've got pinks and purples and blues and silver and iridescent colours. So yeah, so I really liked this here. So once I complete this nail and apply all the sequins, cover the whole nail, I then cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I went in with another layer of Brush Up Builder gel, just to make sure that these sequins stayed put basically, and because sometimes little corners can stick up and you can tend to feel them through gel polish. So I applied something that is a little bit thicker and was going to keep them in place for a little bit longer. So it worked perfectly. So I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply a layer of my non-white UV gel top coat and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So on my forefinger I did a bit of ombre nail art, so I just apply a layer of base coat, cure that for 30 seconds. Then with Lavender Garden 05 and Candy Shop 01 I went in and did the ombre effect. So I laid down the colour on one side, didn't cure it, then I laid down the colour on the other side, wiped the brush, and then I made sure it was clean, and then I went down the centre of the line there, as you can see. And then I cured that for 30 seconds, and then I went in and did another coat of the exact same thing. So as you can see, I wipe the brush clean, and then I go down the centre of the nail with that brush to blend those colours together. And then around the outside, so obviously of course I apply a top coat, and before I cure that around the outside of the nail I just apply different types of sequins. I go for the pinky whitey ones on this side, and then on the other side I go for the square ones which are more of a bluey purple. And then I cure that in my LED lamp, and then I go in with another layer of top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So then on my middle finger I applied the gel polish in the shade Lavender Garden 05 and cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I applied a second coat, cured that. Actually before curing that I applied the sequins to the tip of the nail, going up the nail in like an ombre fashion. I like my ombre nail art. So very carefully just placed these on the nail and then cured that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went over that nail with my non-white UV gel top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. So on my ring finger I went in with the shade Candy Shop 01 and I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I went in with a second coat, curing that. Actually, before I cured it once again, I applied some sequins to my nail in a diagonal fashion. So I've got a little heart in the middle and then these these four pink hexagons at either side. Well cute. And then I applied top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. So then on my little finger I went in with the Blush Up Builder gel in the shade Bear. Before I cured that, I applied little dots of Candy Shop 01 and Lavender Garden and just worked on the uncured gel polish, and then I placed down some sequins. Cured it for 30 seconds, or 60 seconds, sorry, and then I applied top coat and I cured that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.